We see your needs. We see your emergency. Operated by Beam Technology Camden Limited. Beam is a new independent distributor of electronic components in the era of digital intelligence. Our business team located in Shanghai City and Shenzhen City. Beam Electronics is committed to building an intelligent component stock supply chain driven by big data in the IC industry, providing timely component stock inventory to over 300,000 industry end users and trading partners. Beam Electronics has a modern, self-run warehouse covering thousands of square meters with tens of millions of dollars worth of materials in stock and nearly 10,000 SKUs in stock. With a mature warehouse management process and an experienced, skilled, and professional logistics team, Beam Electronics has realized standardized material warehousing, strict material quality inspection, and timely material distribution system to provide IC customers with reliable services. Current stock products of Beam Electronics cover NXP, onsemi, STMicroelectronics, Microchip, Texas Instruments, Infineon, and other hundreds of global semiconductor brands. With nearly tens of thousands of online registered daily active users, Beam Electronics has accumulated 200,000 online potential customers throughout the United States, Europe, India, and other areas. Pursue tirelessly until the best. Through the leading internet, big data application technology, and sincere service, Beam Electronics has gathered product, technical, and human resources in the industry and insisted on exploring the mysteries of big data in the IC industry and building a learning organization. Beam Electronics will become a component intelligence supply chain provider with hundreds of thousands of SKUs, adhering to quality control background cover and timely stock delivery to solve the problem of finding suitable materials for customers and make contributions to the electronics manufacturing industry.
From the first day of the establishment of Beam Electronics, we are always exercising the mission of continuously energize the electronic industry and to make the components much more valuable. As the explorer of the smart supply chain for electronic components, we see your needs, we see your emergency.